In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and track your work with a simple project plan. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a project, structure it into clear parts, add actionable tasks, assign owners and due dates, keep everyone aligned with updates, and monitor progress with views and dashboards. First, create a project for the work you need to manage. Give it a clear, outcome-focused name so everyone understands the goal at a glance. Add a brief description that explains the purpose, scope, and any success criteria. This context helps your team make better decisions without constant clarification. Next, break the project into sections or phases. Think of these as chapters in a book or stages in a workflow. Common approaches include grouping by deliverable, by timeline, or by functional area. Keep sections mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive so nothing overlaps or gets lost. If a phase feels too big, consider splitting it into smaller sequential parts for clarity. Now add tasks for each action item. Each task should describe a specific visible outcome, not just a vague activity. Use concise titles and add details in the description, such as acceptance criteria or links to references. When possible, keep tasks small enough to complete within a few days. Smaller tasks reduce risk, make progress more measurable, and are easier to estimate. Assign tasks to team members and add due dates. One clear owner per task avoids confusion, even if others collaborate. Choose realistic deadlines based on effort, availability, and dependencies, and add them directly to the task so timelines are visible in all views. If a task depends on another, note that in the description or link the two so handoffs are smooth. Use comments, files, and status updates to keep everyone aligned. Post decisions and questions in the task's comment thread so the full history lives in one place. Attach relevant files to the task rather than scattering them across tools. Update status fields consistently, using labels like not started, in progress, blocked, or done so teammates can scan and understand what needs attention. Finally, track progress using project views, dashboards, and completed tasks. Switch between list, board, calendar, or timeline views to spot bottlenecks and plan capacity. Dashboards help you monitor key metrics, such as tasks due this week or items that are blocked. Regularly review completed tasks to confirm deliverables are meeting expectations and to capture lessons learned for the next cycle. That's the full flow. Create the project, structure it, build actionable tasks, assign owners and dates, communicate in context, and track progress with clear visibility. Follow these steps, and your team will stay focused, accountable, and on schedule.